Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you what I've been doing in my vacations, and in the end of it I'll be showing you out of the requests that you made, the ones that I'll be doing and not doing. So this is a game that I started doing before my classes started, so let me just open here the game. So it's a mobile game, as you can see. It's called Shapeshift. I didn't, and it is just like a little project to see if I could do like a reasonable space tour. So anyways, this is the main screen. You have like this little transition when you go from a screen to another one. So this is the shop, and actually I think that I'll be doing a tutorial about this. So you have like the default one, and then you can buy more skins if you will, and each one has a price, and of course you can equip it or just have it in your inventory and not use it. So right now we don't have any other skins because, and this is the game. It's like a regular space shooter, as you can see. I'm controlling the ship with my cell phone, and this is the analog. I'll also be doing a tutorial about it. So, oh, now just you just seen that I got a power up. So now we can shoot 2 bullets, and you get coins by destroying these asteroids. And oops, that's me dying. And the way that the coins drop is that the bigger the asteroids are, the more chance you have from them to drop coins. And that's it. If you want me to explain this a little bit better and go a little bit more in depth and actually show you how to do it, just tell me. And finally, just to show you another thing that I was trying to do but actually didn't work out very well is this little ship maker, where you have these points and you can add more points. As you can see, I just added points, and you can like make your own ship, but you can't actually save it right now because this is not a sprite, it's a mesh. So it's a 3D thing, not a 2D one. So I kind of don't know how to work with that, so this is just like an experience to see if I could do this sort of cool thing. And as you can see, it's working not very well, but it is. You can just drag the points around to make a ship. And I use this, and I actually almost didn't use anything to do this. I just grabbed some code online and applied it to my situation, and that's basically it. By the way, I'll be probably doing a tutorial on how to do the shop you seen earlier and the analog stick, so stick around. Now onward to the next game. So this is the other game that I've been doing. This one I actually did while I was in my holidays. Anyways, let me show you. So you got here the bird, and this is another Infinity Runner, but it works in a different way because in this one you can see that there's these map parts, these patterns in the maps that are repeating, and you gain points by hitting into the rings. And this is basically it. It's very simple for now. I was thinking of like every time you hit a ring, you should get a combo. And oh, there was a bad ring that makes you die. Anyways, like I was saying, I was thinking about every time you go through a ring, you should get more speed and get more points. But I really don't know. This was just something I was trying to see if I could make an infinite runner that actually keeps instantiating zones. I can actually, let me see if I can park it there. And now here in the manager, let me show you the main camera. As you can see, as the main camera moves, there's like these map parts that are being instantiated from these prefabs over here. There's like from these map chunks over here. There's like some patterns of prefabs. Only 6 in this moment, but every certain time they are instantiated, so they look something like this. Oops. So they look something like this. For instance, as you can see, this is a curvy line right, curvy line left, moving, you know, you have all this stuff, and these are instantiated as long as you go, and basically that's it. So this is what I've been doing, guys. It's not very much, but well, that's it. So I read your comments, and these are the tutorials that I will probably do and I will definitely do.